Hello, I'm Ariana Hunter, and today I'm going to be talking to you about the right way or what you can do while you're getting a divorce. The first thing you need to do if you're getting a divorce is to contact your bank and let them know your situation. Ask them if they could skip a pay. Sometimes they can skip 1, 2, 3 payments and put it in the back of the loan and see if they could be able to do that for you so you'll be able to focus on your divorce. Now, if they're not able to assist you, I would borrow if it's necessary, but continue to make your payments because you're still responsible. And what I suggest is that you talk to an attorney. Your attorney could ask, usually the party that leaves the property is the one who doesn't care if the payment gets done or not. And the people who remain in the property are the ones who are concerned if the property gets paid. So you could talk to your attorney and ask them if they could make the other person pay for the half or the portion that they're responsible for until the divorce gets settled. If you're a renter, I would suggest you do the same. You talk to the landlord or the managing company and you let them know, see if they're able to release you from the lease. You know, contract is a contract, but you never know and everything's negotiable. So they might be able, they'd rather release you from the contract than they have you break the lease. And so you might see if you could get out that way and see if it's a possibility for you. I also suggest that if you get divorced, you might be able to retain your property and pay off your mate, and you could retain it or sell it, and both of you get your half and half. But what I do suggest is that if you do get separated, you do illegally separating, make sure the person is released from the documents because you don't want to be paying on a property and have them come back a couple years later and say that they have a claim on your property and you're going to be very devastated. Or even worse, that you're trying to sell your property and you cannot find this person to sign off on it. You don't know if they're alive, you don't know where they live. Or you could have a relative, maybe they had a child after your separation and now the child is grown and he wants part of his parent house and properties. So make sure if you're gonna do, it's very painful, I understand, but if you need to get separated, do it correctly. If you're gonna get divorced, it's a process, and during the process, a lot of people get hurt, and that includes your credit. I hope this has helped you, and good luck.